Mira cómo se ve. Ay, buena hora. I love the rain. I love the rain, but not when I have to do so many little things. Welcome back to La Vida Mora, Puerto Rico. We are on our way to do a little compra in Mayagüez. I have plenty of supermarkets in Cabo Rojo, but I love this particular one in Mayagüez called Pueblo. And also I want to get a little cafe and donut and Krispy Kreme. I haven't had that in so long. So that is what we are doing. I'm just going to say the words because it is what it is. I'm on a diet plan and a workout plan. I paid for 1 month of a one-on-one virtual workout program with somebody from Puerto Rico, which makes me feel a little bit happier to give back to the community. I've been following her for a long time. I really enjoy her content. And today I am taking, I don't like to call it cheat days, but again, like I said, it is what it is. I think this thing closed. I don't like to call them cheat days, but it is what it is. It's sort of like, it's not necessarily that it's a cheat, but I'm going out of the meal plan for the day. Gosh, it is boring. But that is because I am doing an extra workout. So I just feel like on the days that you know you're going to be kind of active, walking around, maybe you're going to the beach or the pool with your kids, and you know you're going to be swimming. Those are the good days to splurge a little bit on the diet. Eat something sugary, processed. I sound like I'm giving such terrible advice. I would love to come on here and act really perfect for you guys, but that's not the case. I am super strict with my grocery list and what I bring into my home and what me and my children eat, but I'm also realistic and still addicted to certain treats. Like, I don't know if in this lifetime if I will ever not want to eat a donut. I'm not sure. I go into these moments when like I will start something trendy that has to do with you know, your health, and it's like mentally I'm like, oh, I don't even think about those things anymore. Y después de un mes I'm like, yes, I want an empanadilla with a cafe and a quesito, please. Thank you. Out of life right now. That is Walgreens over there. I'm on the thing in Cabo Rojo. Again, we're going to stop at Krispy Kreme, get a donut, a cafe. The cafe won't get any sugar in it. See, those are like the little things that you can do, the tweaks to lessen the sugar intake. See that ambience? I'm gonna tell you guys something when I'm eating my donut. Emergency personnel in Puerto Rico, that it blows my mind. It's just absolutely crazy and ludicrous. A little teeny tiny flamboyant. My feet. Ah, mira, tiene de Oreo. ¿Viste? ¿Qué de Oreo? ¿Qué? ¿Sí?
Please, the audio one.
Buenas tardes. Sí, un café sin azúcar.
Un café latte sin azúcar.
Sería todo.
The audio one, don't forget.
Gracias. Esa muñeca. ¿Cuánto me dijiste? 7.35.
Yum, audio donut. I can't wait to try it, the new one.
Let's see if it's good. A mí no me gusta Oreo. I was thinking about Oreos. Gracias, mi amor. Ay, no te preocupes. Yo lo boto. Receta. Ay, el café. Lo más importante. Yeah. This is guayaba. Just looking at that makes me sick. I don't like donuts like this. This like with a whole bunch of stuff on top and a lot of frosting. No me gusta. Okay guys, so what I wanted to tell you about Puerto Rico that I noticed when I first moved here, and it got better in the last year. The ambulances, when they are en route with an actual emergency and they, you know, have the lights and the sirens on, people don't move out of the way. It's like really strange. It's really strange. There's no like panic or urgency to get out of the way. Even the ambulance driver, it doesn't feel like they're pressuring you to move out of the way. I'm not sure if they are literally only doing it when they have a life-threatening situation in their ambulance, but either way, I just personally feel that it should be embedded in people's mind, so that their reflex or their natural reaction to seeing an ambulance should just be get out of the way, and you shouldn't just kind of only enforce it when you really, really need it. It should just be a universal thing. Ambulance, lights, sirens, move. Like in the States, people will literally drive up on the side of a road. They'll hit a cow to move out of the way for an ambulance. It's kind of sad. That's not good either. I know I'm exaggerating a little bit. I'm just trying to drive my point home. The exaggeration, the difference. Like I've seen people get into accidents trying to move out of the path of an ambulance en route with an emergency. And which again, the chaos is not good either. But it's the mentality here with the ambulances is it makes me like, I guess, secondhand embarrassment, because I'm like, how are you not even moving? They don't go to the sides. They kind of just like stay there, and it takes so much effort on the ambulance's part for them to actually start merging in different directions to make a clear path for the ambulance. I don't understand it. Blows my mind. I find that so ludicrous. I just don't know if in other countries, because I'm like, okay, I'm from New York City, so is it just in New York City that they're so forceful with that, or is it all over the world, and maybe in the smaller Caribbean island life areas it's kind of like more like nonchalant, not really a thing? It's just, it kind of freaks me out, because like when I have heard an ambulance, I'm the only one that immediately I start looking around to see where can I move to, so even if I'm just moving over a little bit, and the other people surrounding me in the front, behind, on the sides, they're just still in the same spot. Like they just go about their business. Take a bite of the donut. It blows my mind. But in the past year, it's gotten a little bit better. I've noticed an improvement in the ambulance awareness. Okay, let's take a bite. This is queso guava and cheese filling. Venezuela, Colombia, I'm not sure. But this is definitely, queso guava is definitely like a Puerto Rican staple dessert filling. And one is more than enough for me. I could never eat two of these. I just couldn't. I would feel like I was gonna throw up. So intense and dense and heavy. I could never eat another one of these. This is like perfect for me. And I can actually do without all this glaze. I wish they made this without it being a fully glazed donut. Like just maybe a little bit, like a drizzle, but not the whole donut, because I feel like the filling is enough. But you know, whatever. We're not gonna complain here. I'm eating a donut. No room for complaining. The cafe is really good from there. I also believe it's local cafe. There. I think it's something Monte or Alta. It's the guayaba. You know, I have a friend from Argentina. Guayaba is not really known there. He didn't know what I was talking about. Their thing is dulce de leche. So Fun fact, I don't love American or even Puerto Rican desserts too much. I like more of the cremas like tembleque, majarete, because they're a little bit more light. I love dessert, but I don't like too sweet and too heavy. I'm more of a French pastry type girl. I don't know, it's just ever since I tasted French pastries, I really appreciate that style of dessert, and it is a dream. I know it sounds so human of me, but it's a dream of mine just to go to Paris just for dessert and coffee. Like, of course, it's always nice to see some historical spots too, architecture, etc. Museums, I love museums, but I just want to experience the ¿Ya? You finished? Salud. You don't say salud back to me, you say gracias. Salud. I forget what I was saying. Paris pastries, yeah. I don't like packaged desserts. Those cookies and things that you can find in the stores and supermarkets, no me gusta. Something that's not like fresh from a bakery, I prefer that's so sweet. I'd rather just have like a bar of chocolate or something instead of like a processed cookie or cake or something, or even donut from like a supermarket or store. Okay guys, I'm home. I'm going to do a quick change, tie up my hair, and make dinner. I already started putting the things out. Let's see, what could we call this vlog? I don't know if I should title it about the thing with the ambulances, because that's just kind of interesting to me. Or about what I'm going to make for dinner. Just my version of doing like comida criolla, but in a healthier version, so I can still kind of get the benefits of the flavors, but without the frying and the some of the ingredients, some of the seasonings that are not really too good for you. But, you know, like 2 seconds, I'm gonna be like this. I'm going to talk. I don't know. Should I just? Yeah, we'll do it quickly, and I will put music and explain now. I'm going to work out. I have to work out before I eat, so that's what this is. I have my sports bra on. I still have my skirt from before, but I'll change. So I'm making chicken breast with, you know, the criolla flavors. I will not be using adobo. I will use something else that I have. Let me show you. I have this as like a little sazon, and then I'm just going to add salt, pepper, because I'm going to put fresh onion, fresh ajo, fresh garlic, cilantro. Those are oregano. Those are all the things that are basically in your adobo. I just prefer to keep it as fresh as possible. So we'll do some of this, and then I will eat it in a salad and just add a little bit of ajo blanco and the habichuelas. I'm not making them like habichuela guisado. I'm just adding the beans themselves to the salad. Tostones, and slice them in strips so they can be sort of like a crunchy croutons type of thing. I'll bake them in this dish here that I have with some coconut oil. And the chicken I'll grill here. We have some habichuelas. We're just going to rinse these and throw them into the salad. The onions, there's a little trick to do with the onions and the garlic to make them crunchy and nice and seasoned. That will do on the other side. My nails, I started taking off the nail polish because it was peeling, and I forgot to finish doing that, but just ignore the nails. So let's get started. saute these onions in some balsamic vinegar, and I have just a little bit of the garlic, like a half a teaspoon of the garlic and cilantro and adobo. The peppers I like to add in raw. I like the crunch in the salad. You can add it to the dipping if you want. So I'm just going to spray this because I don't want oil in this part, just a tiny bit. The chicken already has oil. That's it. And then we will cook them with some water. About a tablespoon of water for that amount. We just make enough so that they don't wet. And then a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. A tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. For me, the trick with the salad is to chop it up as small as possible. Just like really small and get it really mixed in good with the chicken. And then the other things we kind of layer on top. I have measured out the exact amount of rice that is good for me and my son. Plátano chips. Crunchy, they come out. A lot of volume, but low calorie. That is it. I'm eating at my daughter's rice now. I never finished a vlog this day. It feels so weird to me to be saying goodbye to you guys and you guys besitos. Because I'm not a nighttime vlogger. It feels very strange. But besitos. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to say quickly, I did run into some subscribers in Walmart like about a month ago. And they were so sweet. Oh my gosh. They were so nice. And we took a group picture and a little video. Actually, I asked my daughter to take a picture, but she got a video instead. So I'm going to insert that now. I know this vlog was a little, you know, it was very simple. I didn't do anything special, but sometimes it's just, it is what it is. So, bye-bye.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.